Today we are going to talk about the design pattern which are developed by the Gang of Four, and these patterns are called Gang of Four design pattern in industry. Uh, let, let me summarize you. First, we are going to the introduction. A developer will build software, an application to meet solve the requirements of an enterprise or a business firm using some programming language. Then, while developing the application, they might use any programming language of their choice like C, C++, Java, and etc. This programming language provides APIs to the developers in building the components, but they never document the best practice, bad practice, or design consideration that a developer need to follow. A developer while working need to understand more than just an API. They need to understand issues like following issues they have to um, they have to face in the industry. What are the best practices, what are the bad practices, what are common recurring problems and proven solution to these problems, how to code. um, Now come to this is what a pattern exactly does. It helps you to identifying the recurring problem and provides a pre-built solution that can be applied in its best in solving those problems. The first effort in documenting the problem and these solutions have been done in 1970 by the Christopher Alexander. He is a civil engineer and architect, has documented various patterns in his area in several books. The document uh, the software community subsequently adopted the idea of pattern based on his work. Pattern is a word software word popular by the book Design Pattern. In addition, the expert in the Java EE community also documented design pattern based on their experience in solving various problems which they encountered while designing, designing or working on J2EE projects. As they as these patterns closely coupled with various tiers of J2EE, these are also referred J2EE design pattern. Now go to the what is pattern. Pattern also documenting a solution for a well-known problem in particular context. It can also be defined as recurring solution to a problem in a context. Let me elaborate the things. First, what is context? A context is the environment surrounding or situations under while something exists. What is a problem? A problem is something that needs to be resolved, and a solution it is the answer to problem in a context that helps resolve the issue. Now in Gang of Four design pattern, we have to go through the abstract factory, builder design pattern, factory method, prototype design pattern, singleton design pattern, and the structure. They have the structured pattern also, adapter design pattern, builder design pattern, composite, decorator, facade, flyweight, proxy, and the behavior. There is a part called behavior design pattern, chain of responsibility, command, and these are not some of the template method design pattern. It is very famous in the industry. And the strategy design pattern. The strategy design pattern we are also using in the mm, uh, Spring framework mainly designed in strategy design pattern principles.